Hello guys, what's going on internet? This is me Yusuf Adil from Graphic Bytes. Today we are going to learn how we can wrap the text in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start by using pen tool. We are just selecting around this picture. I'm just pasting this text here. So then this is done. So let's add the text here. It's just a pretty simple technique that you can use for your work. Just selecting this area and then selecting text tool, and we are pasting here. So as you can see that we are done. So this is my tutorial that I did for you to show you that how you can wrap the text. If you like this tutorial, so then please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.